Hey guys, welcome back. And if you're new, my name is Shannon and I'm glad you stopped in. I hope you decide to stick around and hang out with us some. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be back in this middle room because I am going to pack up most of my press-on nail stuff and some acrylic powders and stuff like that. I am going to gift this to my husband, Mike. His sister, her daughter is starting her nail journey. So I'm hoping that it'll help her out some. I have stuff down in the building, like the silicone practice hands. I mean, just all kinds of stuff from where I did my nail journey years ago. And it's just not something that I want to continue with. I lost all interest in it. I mean, as far as like making me some nails, I will do that. But other than that, nope, no thank you. But hopefully it'll all help her out in her nail journey. And as far as this little island cart, I am wiping it down. I'm going to gift it to Mike's sister as well. She said she had been looking for something like this. So, I mean, I don't need it or anything like that. And there's really nothing wrong with it. It just needed to be wiped down. So, I am happy that she was wanting it. And yeah, we're just going to pack this stuff up. And we are going to, well, I'm going to put it in the building. I did not put that on camera because I was struggling. I had 3 big boxes and then I had to wait for Mike to get home so that he could help me carry the little cart out to my building. But after I get this room cleaned up and y'all will see the finished result of that, then I am going to get in the kitchen and I am going to make some homemade potato soups. This is like Mike's one of his favorite things during the fall and winter is he likes homemade potato soup. And I've got to say, it turned out amazing. It was like a loaded potato soup. Man, it was good. But comment below, what is your favorite fall and winter comfort food? I personally like homemade chicken pot pie or chicken and dumplings, but made with the egg noodles. But yeah, I would be interested to see what y'all's favorite comfort food is for fall and winter. So, with that being said, I am going to get this room cleaned up and I will pop back in when I get in the kitchen cooking.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that and still uncaught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no us no more, we don't know. No us no more, we don't know. No us no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. But don't know, no us no more, no. I got so high on a hill. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. But don't know, no us no more, no. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more, no, no. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more, no, no. Yeah. Isn't this the good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Can play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Isn't it a big crime to get a little lost in everybody's business? Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? And on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Can play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Isn't this a good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Can play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Alright, so now I'm in the kitchen. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these potatoes up. And I also have some of the small gold potatoes that is in the water. And I'm going to just chop these russet potatoes up. And I'm going to boil these. I will be putting some onion in them. It'll be half of a red onion. And there will be heavy cream and half and a stick of butter. And then you will see me frying up some bacon that is going to be crumbled up and put on top once it's all finished. But yeah, I'm just going to let these boil and cook. And then I'm going to take a potato masher and I'm going to smash them up. And man, they were so good. I am here to tell you they were good. But I will have what it looks like once I get it put in a bowl and the cheese and bacon on top. So I hope you stick around for that. And then there'll be I'm going to start doing a verse of the day at the end of my videos. And I hope that y'all enjoy that. And with that being said, I am going to get off of here and let y'all finish watching the video. And as always, stay blessed. Bye.